One of my favorite things when I get a call from a client is when I hear them say to me, but I have full coverage. Because all I think about is what it really should be called. They should call it full coverage. Because what happens is clients get sold a bunch of bull from insurance companies or their insurance agents, and then they come to us after they've been in an accident and they're shocked to hear that they don't exactly have the coverage they thought they had. So when an insurance company or an insurance agent says you have full coverage, what they're telling you, more likely than not, is that you have bodily injury coverage, liability coverage, you have property damage coverage. Now those are both for the other person if you were to hit them, and you have comprehensive and collision coverage. Those are for you if your vehicle gets damaged, either from something or someone, and you can't make a claim against that thing like a tree, or that someone like some other driver. That's where your comp and collision coverage comes in. What it doesn't include, super important, doesn't often include rental car coverage. Doesn't often include medical payments coverage. And most importantly, it doesn't include uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage. Why are those three coverages important? Why should you add them right away? Let's start with rental car coverage. If you get into a wreck, even one that wasn't your fault, it could take time, days, sometimes weeks, for the other insurance company to accept responsibility. They might be waiting for a police report to come out. Well, that could take weeks. Sometimes it could take months. And you're left without a car. And you're saying, well, what do I do? This wasn't my fault. And the only thing we tell our clients is, we agree with you, but they don't yet agree. They haven't accepted responsibility. And so you do not have access to a rental car unless you had your own rental car coverage. That's why it's so important for our clients to have rental car coverage so that if they get into a wreck, one that wasn't their fault, or perhaps one that was, at least they have their own policy to get a rental car through. Now, medical payments coverage is exactly what it sounds like. It's coverage that will give you money dollar for medical expenses that you incur. So again, if you were hurt, even if someone else is at fault, you can still make a claim on your own medical payments coverage and get paid back any money that you spent, right? That could be co-pays, that could be cash payments to a chiropractor or a physical therapist, or even your primary care doctor, because the other side either hasn't paid you yet or they don't have enough coverage, and you're stacking their coverage plus your medical payments coverage on top to make the pool of money available to you larger. Now, speaking of that, the other coverage, the most important one of the bunch, also stacks here in Louisiana and in many other states. That's your uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage. So if the other driver that hits you is uninsured, your policy, your coverage is going to stack in effect in place of the other driver's zero coverage, allowing you something to collect for your injuries. And if the other driver does have coverage, but it's not enough to cover your medical bills, your pain and suffering, your lost wages, then your underinsured motorist coverage will stack on top. And now you've got, again, a bigger pool of money to go after to compensate you for what's happened to you. So you hear that phrase, full coverage? I suggest you run to your computer, your phone, or your car, come down and see us, pick up the phone and call us, or send us a message online so that we can advise you what you actually should put on your insurance coverage so that you actually have the coverage that you need and want, because full coverage ain't it. If you have any questions about this video, about an accident, incident, injury in Louisiana, Texas, or anywhere else, please reach out to us. Our website is getrude.com. The phone number is 833-GET-RUDE, which is 833-438-7833. We are here to help. We've helped hundreds of clients recover millions of dollars, and we are ready to help you too. So please reach out if you need help, if you have any questions, and tune in for more videos as we try to educate people on what it's like to be injured in Louisiana, Texas, and elsewhere, and the trials and tribulations that will most certainly result. Hope to see you soon, and we hope you tune in.